So I've got this gear knob off of a Hyundai IX35, very hard to get off. So what's holding it in is this little spring clip here. So that goes in there and it locks into one of these. So it's basically just a pull up, it's not a twist off. This is a cover for that, so that only goes up. So the only way to get it off is to bring this cup down. The bottom cup sits on there like that. So there's two little tabs in here. What happens is you should squeeze them together realistically to unclip it from here. So that locks in down in there. But what happens is when this is on all the way, that gap there is the same distance as here. So you can't push them in. So realistically what you should be able to do is push your screwdriver directly in the back at one of those tabs. So there's one at the front, one at the back. You should be able to push it in and then it just pops off. But it's really hard to do because when that's on there it doesn't push in because of the size of the shaft. So it's just really hard to pop off.